لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن تمسك بسنته إلى يوم الدين أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
اللهم علمنا فيما لم نعلم وانفعنا فيما علمتنا يا أرحم الراحمين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. Brothers, welcome back for the continuation of our classes. And supposed to be this time we're gonna have Quran, but of course we have a lot of lessons that we need to finish from this book. What's the title of the book? هداية الصبيان إلى طريق تلاوة القرآن. It is a guide to the path going to learning the Quran. Okay? So today, August 9, 2025. All right, so today is Saturday, and we are going to continue our lesson. Now we are in Ad-Darsul Khamisu Ashara. Okay? So, again, the Arabic vocabulary is given to you. Take note. If you are able to write the words, that is better for you to do so. Because in writing the words, it will enhance your hand to write Arabic, and it will make you more familiar with the letters when the letters will be connected together, connected to the next letter. All right? So now, ad-dars. What was the meaning of the word dars? Dars is a lesson. Dars is a lesson. That's why the place where the students coming to study, that is what we called in English is school. In Arabic is madrasah. And that word where dars taken from. Okay? And at the same time, when we want to know what is teacher, the word teacher in Arabic also taken from the word madrasa or dars. Because in Arabic, the male teacher, the boy teacher, we called mudarris. Madrasa, mudarris, dars. The place where we study is the school, madrasa. What we are doing in school, dars, lesson. Who the one teaching? Mudarris. All right, see the word. And then, the female teacher just add ta marbuta. All right, look at this one. First word madrasatun. All right, and from this word, the teacher word taken from. So we say mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. This is male. All right. For the female, mudarrisatun. Mudarrisatun. This is for female teacher. And what the teacher teaching to the students we called darsun. Darsun. And the plural form, jama' plural, is durusun. If many lessons, we called durusun. For two lessons, we say darsani or darsaini. Darsaini. This is sukun. All right? So this is how we play with the Arabic terminologies. It is just few of that word taken from the word madrasa, which means school. All right? Take down note. And mudarrisun is a male teacher, the one who is teaching. Ana Mahmoud. Ana Mahmoud. I am Mahmoud. Wa ana mudarris. All right? Now, the female teacher, mudarrisatun. Like for example, my name is any name, Aisha. Like for example, Ana Aisha. Right? Female version. Ana Aisha. Wa ana mudarrisatun. Mudarrisatun. And it is enough for you to say also mudarrisah. Ana mudarrisah. Tamam? Okay, clear? And then the lesson in Arabic we call dars or darsun. When you hear the word dars, اليوم عندنا درس. Today we have class or we have lesson. عندنا درس. The plural form is durusun. When the lessons starts from 3 lessons, 3, 4, 5, and up, we say durus. All right? So 1 lesson is dars, 2 lessons, darsani or darsaini. Darsani or darsaini. 2 lessons. That's why the plural form will start from 3, 4, and above. We say durusun. Clear? Okay? If you got the time to write down, better for you to do so. All right. Now, can we continue? So, today we are in our Ad-Darsul Khamisu Ashara. Come down. Ad-Darsul Khamisu Ashara. What is the meaning of Al-Khamisu Ashara? 15th. 15th. All right? The 15th lesson. Al-Khamis, taken from the word khamsa. Wahid, ithnan, thalatha, arba'a, khamsa. All right? If it is in order, first, second, third, fourth, we say الأول والثاني والثالث والرابع والخامس. All right? Now, you say the word الدرس الخامس وليست الدرس الخمسة. It doesn't say الدرس الخمسة, right? Because it is pointing to if it is in order. In order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? So, we don't say الدرس الخمسة وإنما نقول الدرس الخامس. We say الدرس الخامس. Then, added another word, عشرة. What is عشرة? That is number 10. واحد, اثنان, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, تسعة, عشرة. The Arabic numbers. Alright? Now, الدرس الخامس عشرة. What do we have in الدرس الخامس عشرة? It is الشدة. 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 Say the word. الشدة. Again, الشدة. All right. So, what is الشدة? All right. Let us go back to the whiteboard. الشدة. All right. We can say, remember the lesson number 14? I will show you, okay? Shin, Fatha'a, Dal, Shaddah, then Ta marbuta, Shaddatun. And then if the Alif Lam will come, remember the Lam al-Qamariyah and the Lam al-Shamsiyah? This Shin is belong to the letters of al-Shamsiyah. So, Ash, sans letters. Ash, Shad, Ta marbuta, Ash-Shaddatu. So again, it is also a reminder for you. So when the letter doesn't have alif and lam in the beginning, the last letter, automatically the vowel will be tanween or double vowels. Either it is fatha to fatha, fathatain, shaddatan, or kasratain, shaddatin, or dammatain, tanween, damma, shaddatun. When alif lam come, alif and lam come, the third letter, the sheen will become the third letter. Alif, one, lam is the second letter, and sheen is the third letter. Automatically, the third letter will be having shadda sign on the top. Shadda sign on the top. So this is shadda sign on the top of the consonant letters. All right? Shadda you will always find on the top of the consonant letters. It will never come under. It will never come left side or right side. All right? Clear? And then,
And the top line on the Shaddah?
this is the shadda, this is the fatha. So that's why we read ash-shaddatu. Now, in the case of ash-shamsiyya letters, always the third letter will always having shadda. Okay? Clear? Clear? Always will be having shadda on the top, and then the lam will never pronounced. Will never mentioned. Don't say al-shaddatu. No. Don't pronounce al. Don't pronounce. You go direct from a to shin. Ash-shaddatu. So the rulings of the sun letters, one of the rulings of the sun letters, the third letter will be always with shadda, and the lam will never mention, will never utter.
It will be go silent.
It will be going silent always. Yes, sir. Sorry, I forgot your name, sir.
You can call me Yaqub.
Yaqub, mashallah. Jacob. Welcome, sir.
So, Shadda is also double sound, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, this is our lesson that we can explain more in details. All right. Now, so look at here. This is the Shadda, the very small, like a bird on the top of any consonant letters. I'm saying consonant letters, okay? Because we have 3 letters. Those are prolongation letters, long vowels. Understand? Okay? So if you are confused, you can raise your hand, you can ask questions. Okay? Now, so how Shadda happened and how we can identify Shadda in any of the Arabic words, and especially in the Quran. Okay, now, the first letter here, one of the examples, the first letter here is Kha. Kha. Yeah, similar to that, sir. Ja, but the dot is under. Very good. Very good, sir. MashaAllah. So if you find this dot under, that is Jim, Ja. That's correct. Very good. So now, happen that the dot is on the top of this letter. That is Ha. That's the difference. So you have now the idea. You can never forget it, right? So you have the key to remember that Sir Yaqub given. MashaAllah.
So the dot is in any letter that comes to on the bottom or on the top, the pronunciation will be different.
The letter will be changed.
The letter will change.
And the pronunciation also is different.
Yeah.
Very good. Yes, that's correct. Now, so the Kha that has Fatha, again, what is the sound of Fatha? Fatha is A. Kasra under is E. Like this, E. Kasra E. And Dhamma is U. Alright, where's Dhamma here? Like this, U. Okay? Now, please observe, after Kha, Fatha, Kha. The next letter is Ra with Sukun. And the next also letter is Ra, but has Fatha on the top. Ra. So how we read it? Har. So Kha. Kha to Ra is Khar. Khar. And another Ra with Fatha. Ra. So you say the word Kharra. Kharra. Alright? So the Arabic language, instead of writing two ra'aini, ra wa ra, kharra, instead of writing that, they made it one ra with placing shadda on the top and take the fatha on the top of shadda. That is considered as double ra. So we say kharra. So instead of writing like this, kha ra ra, so write kha ra with shadda. All right. The sounds are the same. It is just happened that two consonants, ra and ra, it's supposed to be in one ra only. So the solution is to remove one ra but put the shadda sign on the top of the ra, as that ra is considering two ra. So the word kharra. Kharra. Everybody say after me. Kharra. 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 Great. Okay, next. So the same thing. What letter is this? Ain. Ain. Ain fatha'a. A. Ain kasra'i. I. Ain dhamma'u. U. Alright, here. Ain fatha'a. A. Mim sukun. Am. Am. Great. Another mim fatha. Ma. How you read? Amma. Okay, so you stop here. But continuous. Then next mim fatha ma. Amma. So amma. Amma. So in the Quran we have Surah جبوري. كيف حالك؟ أنت بخير؟ في ساعة وقت يعني في أي وقت أنت نمت الليلة؟ نصف الليل الساعة 1 خلاص هذا وقت التهجد. صليت؟ ما صليت. Great. Okay. So what we are going to do now, the solution to make this meme one meme and not two meme, so it will become like this. Ain fatha a, meme with shadda and fatha. How you read? Amma. Amma. Alright? Amma. So even if you're going to change the vowel, like for example, the mim having kasra and the shadda still on the top, so you say ammi. Ammi. Huh? Am you. Alright? And if the mim is on dhamma, having dhamma, so you say ammu. Ammu. Huh? Ammu. Amnia. Listen to me. Okay, great. So, do you understand? Brothers, look at this one. Again, remember, if in English we have the consonant letters, we also have consonant letters in Arabic. If in English we have the vowels, we also have vowels in Arabic. All right? Just to give you a reminder. The vowels in Arabic, we have, number one, we call short vowels. Before we're going to continue. And the short vowels are 3. A, when the symbol is on the top, that sounds a, that is what we call in Arabic as fatha. And then B, when the symbol is down and the sound is E. I'm putting I, okay? I don't write letter E, eagle, because in Arabic you don't have A. Egg, elephant, no. E, all right? So this is what we call in Arabic as kasrah. Kasrah. The sound is E. E. And letter C, third short vowel, when the symbol on the top like a very small baby wow. That's like wow, right? On the top. So the sound is, yes, very good. That is U. Muhammad, ahsant. U, and that is what we call in Arabic Dhamma. All right? Dhamma. The sound is U. And then, number 2 types of vowels. We have the long vowels in Arabic, all right? The long vowels in Arabic. And letter A, the alif, as to prolong, a. Letter B, the waw, to prolong, u. And letter C, the ya, to prolong, e. So the comparison between English language and Arabic language, in English vowels, we only have A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. That are only the letters considered as vowels in Arabic. In English, I mean. But in Arabic, we have the short vowels and long vowels. And actually, we still have number 3. Some others, they don't consider it as a vowel because it is silent. But I am considering it as a vowel, as I call it vowel-less. The word vowel is still there. Alright? Okay, number 3 is vowel-less. Doesn't have vowel. And that is, the symbol is on the top of the letter, a very small circle, and we call that sukoon. Sukoon. Alright? Clear? And now, when it comes to consonant letters, see the difference? In English, the letters, the English alphabet from A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, until Z, or some others they call it Z, right?
Yeah.
Z. Huh? Indian school, they use Z. All right, no problem. That's the same pronunciation. Z.
Because we've been taught from the childhood, from teachers who don't know how to pronounce.
Yes.
They say Z, and we'll say
Z.
We are not allowed to say Z.
Yes. And then because you Z so we Z. We all Z, no problem. You Z so we Z. Now, the English alphabet from A to Z, just remove A, E, I, O, U. The rest of the letters of the English alphabet are consonant letters. Great. While the Arabic, from alif to ya, when that alif to ya combined with short vowels or the vowel-less, all right, and followed by long vowels, the letter before long vowel, any of the long vowels, those are consonant letters. That means from alif to ya, all of those letters can be functioned as a consonant letters. Clear? All right. So from alif to ya, all of those letters are consonant letters, plus 3 of the letters are in dual functions. Consonant letters and also can be used as a long vowels, and those are the alif, waw, and ya. Look at here. Maybe Brother Yaqub is confused now. What is happening to these 3 letters? As I said, from alif to ya, all of those letters are consonant letters, but there are 3 letters from the Arabic alphabet also can be long vowels and not consonant letters. So these 3 letters are in 2 functions. They can be a consonant letters. At the same time, they can also played as a long vowels. Like for example, this is the alif, right? Alif. When alif accompanied with fatha a, you read alif as a. When alif accompanied with kasra e, you read alif as e. And when alif accompanied with dhamma, you read alif as u. All right. Now, if this alif, the function will be long vowel. Like for example, this is ba, fatha, and the alif is here. So the alif now here is not a consonant letter but a long vowel. So you read as ba. Without this alif, you read the letter as ba. Ba fatha ba. With long vowel alif, ba. Prolong. Clear? Ba. So in this case, alif here is consonant letter, right? Yes, very good. The alif here is consonant letter. That's why we prolong ba. You're sleeping, brothers. No, I'm joking. Yes, long vowel. Yes, Sir Yaqub. MashaAllah. I'm waiting this from somebody who will correct me. All right? So the alif here is long vowel. Don't say vowel, because when we say vowel, what kind of vowel? Short, long, vowelless. Huh? So, specifically, you say long vowel alif ba. Now, waw. Waw as a consonant, when we place fatha a on waw, how we read? Wa. Kasra i, we. Kasra dhamma u, wu. All right. Now, this is another example. Ba with dhamma u, bu. Then connect waw, bu. Waw here now again is the consonant letter. No. Long vowel. To prolong from ba, dhamma u, bu to waw, bu. So the function of waw here is long vowel. Long vowel. And here, consonant letter. Clear? So meaning, when the long vowel alif comes, always the consonant before long vowel alif will be accompanied by a fatha a, always. Can I put kasra? And to consider the alif long vowel? No. We cannot, right? So that is always fatha. And for the long vowel waw, the consonant letter before long vowel waw will be always dhamma, u, bu, tu, thu, ju. All right? Okay. Because if you put fatha on ba and make the waw sukun, how you read? Baw. Ba fatha ba. Waw sukun. Baw. Baw. Ba kasra i. Bi. Waw sukun. Biw. Biw. So the wow here will become vowel-less letter, the same as consonant letter. Similar as consonant letter because you pronounce the letter. All right? Clear? Now, proceed. The ya. Ya. Ya fathah. Ya. Ya kasra'i. Yi. Do you know Hassan Yi? Yi. Yeah. Do you know? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So, ya dhamma'u. Me. Me. Me? Yes, me. Yeah. Yeah, you. All right. So, ya dhamma'u is you. Now, I will take as an example also the ya. All right. Ya kasra'i yi. And I will add the prolongation ya. How you read? Yi. 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 Make it easier. Another example for the ba. Ba kasra'i bi. And then prolongation ya. Bi. Easy. All right. So these are the very basic informations on how we are going to expedite ourselves in learning Arabic, inshallah. Okay, now, yes.
What is the difference between long vowel, alif, waw, ya, and sometimes we have to long vowel with the symbol like. What is the difference between these three this
Long vowels.
another long vowel, not like how to say Yasin, Toa, what's the difference between three long vowels?
Okay, so can we have some example of that here? So, because in the Quran you can see like Taha. This is long vowel. Then Sin. That is also another form or symbol of long vowel. And we are going to study that later, inshallah, when we go to how we read the Quran in Tajweed. Okay? Yes, sir. Abdullah.
When we were talking about this, the changing in the pronunciation, the long vowel, is there any applicable rule like why not we can't read like first alif?
Alif.
Alif, the other one. So it is like you mentioned ba alif.
Ba fathah. Ba fathah. This is the symbol. This is the symbol. Ba. And then alif as prolongation to prolong. Ba. Alright, then.
So alif is always like when it comes with the next letter there is a rule like we have to prolong it. Like what is the applicable for all these three alif?
This is the sign. This is the sign when we are going to prolong from that part of the word.
So whenever there is a alif comes before any other consonant letter,
Excellent.
we have to
Excellent. We have to prolong. I will give you an example. Ta fatha'a. Ta. The next letter is ta. That's the thing that you will tell you that you need to prolong in this part. Ta. Then waw kasra'i wi. Ta wi. Then lam fatha'a la. Then ta marbuta tawilatun. So you prolong here. Look at here now. Pa fatha'a pa. Then I remove the long vowel. Waw kasra'i. So you cannot prolong because there is no long vowel alif. Pawi. You cannot say pawi. No. Pawi. Then now here from waw I will put long vowel ya. How you read? Pawi. And then latun. Lam ta marbuta latun. So how you read? Pawi latun. So now this is the point. So if you read the word wrongly, it will give you wrong meaning. Like for example, if I'm talking to an Arab and I said, I'm pointing to the table and I said, يا أخي أنا أريد الطويلة أنا أريد طويلة. And what in my mind is the table, but I said طويلة, and then the Arab said طويلة أي شيء أنت تريد طويلة? Because طويلة means long or tall in female or feminine form. Either I love to have a tall woman, lady, and أريد طويلة. But in my mind is I want the table, but I said طويلة, right? So it will give you the wrong meaning. So طويلة is a feminine form that means either tall, female, or long. All right? السيارة, the car is طويلة. The car is long. All right? Now, the correct word for what I want to say to the Arab guy, like for example, I want a table. يا أخي أنا أريد طاولة. This is طاولة, table. So the pronunciation is on طا. That's the correct one. طاولة, table. طويلة, either long or tall, not short. Short, we will give you later. All right. Yes, sir. Jalaluddin.
Now, in this, if we relate in English, we could call it like homonyms, words that sounds alike but projects different meaning or gives out different meaning.
Yes. Yes. We have that example in the Filipino.
If you say beer, B-E-A-R, where?
Yeah, like
Yes.
sheep,
Yes.
sheep.
Yes. So there's a word, specific word can be prolonged in between, and another word, no prolongation.
Yeah.
Right? Like father, mother, right?
Yeah, you can't say that.
Yes. And there's another word like elephant. There's no prolongation. All right? Then in Filipino language, there are Filipinos here. Filipinos. 1 second.
Can you transcribe, I'm getting a bit stuck. Can you transcribe S-H-I-P, sheep, right?
S-H-I-P,
Yeah, that's
S-H,
E-P, sheep, yeah.
similar to that.
Yeah.
Similar to that in English. I'll give you a Filipino example. Filipinos, do you know the place Makati? Makati. See the pronunciation? Makati. And do you know Makati? Do you know Makati? Makati is a place. Makati is itchy. Ahlan sahlan. Oh, thumbs up. Okay, so we are going to continue later, inshallah. That's all for this morning's class. شكرا وجزاكم الله كل خير وسبحان الله بحمدك نشهد ان لا اله الا انت نستغفرك ونتوب اليك. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Brother, there is a channel.
Yeah, that is